We came today to Oppenau, a small town in the Black Forest region of Germany, and we have seen the waterfall and a few other historical places, and the place is very good for hiking. So hiking in Black Forest, huh? All Saints Waterfall. That's what they call this place. They are located in a deeply incised and narrow valley and were not accessible for a long time. They were opened up on 19th century for the first time for the people from the society. The path with several flights is built on 1840 and especially for the tourists because the place had a lot of attraction on it and still has. The place is very easy to arrive from any of the nearby cities. For example, from Offenburg, from Stuttgart, or even from Strasbourg, there are direct train connection to the city of Oppenau, and then thereafter a bus connection to the waterfalls. And now we are looking at the All Saints Abbey. According to the historians, the abbey was found on the year 1192. Near about 620 meters above the sea level, on the upper valley of Lierbach near to Oppenau. Through various gifts and leavings, the monastery grew rapidly and became one of the major religious, cultural, and political center of the region. In the 18th century, it was at the high point of its power. In November 1802, however, Margrave Karl Friedrich of Baden dissolved the abbey in the course of secularization and took all its possessions. Many legends have arisen about the monastery and the waterfalls. The place is very therapeutic with all of its peaceful ambient. There are plenty of elements everywhere that are useful for bringing peace of our inner mind. Going there and spending a day all alone or with a group of friends or with anybody can surely help. Every day near about 1,000 tourists are visiting the place nowadays. The number will surely increase in the next few weeks. People from all over Germany and especially from different countries of Europe do come here every year in large numbers. If you want to travel on June, July and August of this year, you will maybe qualify for a €9 ticket, with which you can travel all over Germany in regional trains. So that was all about our video today. Hope you guys enjoyed.